We got a pretty unique El Camino right here. It's a 1967. It's been body off the frame restored. Got some great options. How often do you see an El Camino with bucket seats, console, factory gauges, and the blinker tachometer, and power windows? And under the hood is its matching number 396 big block motor. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and even a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, they didn't have Super Sports. You know what? I did not even know that till today. Until 1968 was the first time they made an El Camino Super Sport. So this is not a Super Sport, but it is a numbers matching big block with the Turbo 400. So it has all the SS equipment, but it's not an SS. So anyway, it does have an SS hood on it with the bulges, new chrome grilles. All of this lines up and fits beautifully. I'm going to tell you, the car presents itself really well. And is it a car or is it a truck? When you get up close, there's some nicks and touch-ups and that sort of thing, but it's a clean, dry body. Fits real nicely. Here's a touch-up, chip in the paint that's been brush touched, but the tailgate's really nice, clean, smooth metal. Here's a little scratch right there. This is all nice, clean side panels. I mean, it's like a mirror. I'm looking down the side, all the way down to the bottom, all nice and clean. This all looks good, clean and straight. See how the door opens. They could adjust that striker a little bit. Yeah, definitely, that can be pulled in. We'll do that. The roof is nice and straight. This is all looking good, all looking nice here. Straight, shiny, glossy. Up front, the bumper's been rechromed. Looks like the grille and all the trim was replaced at the time of restoration. Same with the windshield, it's crystal clear. The moldings fit nice, they're straight. Some surface, mild surface wear. The trim around the door frame here, that looks very nice. I'm sure that was replaced. Rain gutter's got a tiny little dent right there. Yeah, that shuts nice and solid. We'll get the other side to do that. The fuzzy strips, the rubber strips, they've been replaced. All that's looking really good. Door handles are real shiny. All this chrome around the back window has either been replaced or rechromed. That's real sharp. Rear window is very clear. Now this is stainless steel, very straight, clean. This is chrome. The two corner pieces are chrome. Those are new. This looks new. This is like a 9 out of 10. So the outside of the car is very nice, presents itself really well. If you're waxing it or you own it, you're going to know where a few little touch-ups are, but it looks great. It's also sitting on some rally wheels, new rally wheels with all new trim with the correct 67 center caps, and they're wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. Okay, that's the outside. Let's open it up, see the inside. Forgot to talk about the back end. The tail lights look like they're original. The bumper's rechromed. This emblem is new. This one looks real nice. Now the tailgate opens very easily. Let me get out of the way. The bottom of the tailgate, nice, clean, dry metal, all the factory spot welds. Now the inside of the bed, it's clean, it's straight, but there's little dinks and dents in it. It's been painted and clear coated, so again, very nice looking. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. And guess what? I'm proud of myself. I adjusted the door. Real easy peasy. The striker had just come loose, so I just tightened it up. Door jambs are painted nicely. Weather strips were replaced. Sill plates look new. The interior is in excellent shape. Reproduction door panels, armrest, even the handle to get in, and then of course power windows. All looks really sharp. Now, the dash looks real nice. They call this a blinker tack. Do you know why? Because there's a blinker built in because it's covering the blinker that's on the dash. So that's a factory option. The tachometer, also the factory gauges, instead of dummy lights, has gauges. This whole panel, the trim, the wood grain, the dash pad, that all looks like it's been replaced. All this looks real nice. Just a nice car. Look at that. Clean, slides easily. All this is real nice. This opens easily. The light works. Here's the pouch with the owner's manual. Kick panel's nice. Real nice fitting carpets, embroidered floor mats. Center console, the clock is ticking. The shifter, all this is real nice. Opens nice, fits nice. I was in here kind of tinkering around, like, this is a really well done car. Horse bucket seats, nice cushion, upholstered real nice. The back of the seat, all the trim, all this is really good. It does have the jack, has a spare. Even the light at the back of the console is working. Now up above, all this trim is real nice. The dome light works. No wrinkles, no holes. The visors are really nice. The mirror looks like new. Steering wheel's in very good shape. Little tiny cracks in the plastic there, but the chrome is sparkling. Very, very nice, unabused interior. It works really well. The AM radio does play, and there's an auxiliary jack in the glove box. I assume you can plug your device into and play some of your music through the radio, through the speakers. So this is actually the VIN number matching engine. The pictures of the stamp pad is on our website. High performance is cast right on the block. Stock manifolds. It is an upgraded carburetor. It's looks like a Holley, looks like it's new, now has an electric choke. But up on top, stock air cleaner, stock valve covers have been replaced. The distributor and all the wires all look very fresh. Firewall's real clean, has GM hoses with the right clamps. All this is nicely painted, smooth metal. Spring clamp cables on the battery. Radiator looks brand new. It's got the shroud, it's got the clutch fan. Does have power steering, and this is correct for 67, is the remote reservoir. Washers are hooked up. Has power brakes. That looks pretty fresh. Got cadmium plated booster. So a very nice clean motor compartment. Bottom of the hood's painted, has the insulation. Michael's going to show you how it runs. We'll see you in a few minutes. So as I said in the beginning, this was body off the frame restored. Underneath is very clean. The floors, the metal, all that is solid, all cleaned and painted a nice satin black. Same thing with the chassis and suspension and frame components. They were prepped and painted real nice. Steering and suspension looks like it was all rebuilt. Does have an upgraded Hotchkiss sway bar up front. And back, the shocks look fresh. It's a nice sounding, nicely installed custom dual exhaust with a little crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers. It just glides up and down very easily. Brake system's been redone. E-brake is hooked up, has disc brakes in the front. You look up at the motor, it's spotless Chevy orange, has the canister type oil filter that it should have, the correct type starter. Has the correct Turbo 400 automatic transmission, first year for that. It still has the tag riveted to the side, dated 1967, 12-bolt rear end, new fuel tank, so very clean underneath. This is a nice car, folks. I've had cars where everything is brilliant and glossy, but nothing fits and nothing, it doesn't function right. This thing feels good. The feel and the function is great. And it looks beautiful. a few touch-ups in the paint that you literally won't even notice until you look for them. So nice El Camino here, big block with these options, frame off restored. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions like how to get your El Camino delivered to your home and how to get it financed if you need it. Thanks for watching.